So today I will address an issue regarding a washing machine problem. That is the blockage of the pump. When the pump is blocked or when the filter is blocked, you find that the washing machine will have problem draining out water. So once it develops that problem, you find sometimes it's very hard to remove the pump filter. So in case that happens, you'll find the pump filter won't come out. When you try to remove the pump filter, it won't come out. So what option are you left with? What you do, you lay the machine down, you'll access the back of the washing machine, and then you'll find this pump casing shuttered like on this one hot point washing machine. You'll find it's shuttered there. It is here. That is where the pump filter is connected, or the pump casing, or the drainage system where it's connected. So once you lay it down, then you open it. The main point of opening is the sump hose. This is the sump hose. So when you remove the sump hose, you'll find it's connected to the pump casing. You'll find an object there like a socks. I'll use style socks in this example as an example, or you'll find coins there. Once you remove it, now with the coins and everything like pins if they are there, or any type of debris, then you'll find the filter will come out easily. Once you remove the filter, you can clean it and clean the pump also. So that one will help with your washing machine. The drainage part will work okay. So you'll remove it. You also remove the pump, like in this case. See the direction of this pump this way. So you remove the pump. Once you remove the pump, you clean the pump, clean the filter. After cleaning the filter, you reassemble them. You assemble it, then it will be good to go. So watch out for small objects that enter the washing machine. They may cause a problem with your washing machine drainage system. Thank you for watching.